Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's video, we are going to talk about a new project in Power BI which is directly related to healthcare plus finance domain, and also to make the analysis more realistic and more industry focused, we have been using DAX in this video. So this video series will be having DAX included in this Power BI project. But let me tell you one thing, the last video that you have seen, the last Power BI project video that you have seen, that had contained a kind of a basic walkthrough of Power BI. I mean, kind of simple visuals or basic transformation, kind of introductory kind of things has been used there. But in this video, as I've told you, we are really leveling up one step ahead as per the previous video, and also we will create lots and lots of calculated column measures and also custom logic that brings our data story to real life situations. So let's get started and take our Power BI skills to a new level. So as you can see, we have received a mail from the finance domain. As you can see, this finance and insurance coordination, and in healthcare, insurance is the P0 kind of. P0 is first priority kind of thing in India. Not only in India, but everywhere you go in the world, insurance is the main thing that is being demanded in healthcare domain. And this mail had been sent by Muktesh Tiwari, who is working in finance domain of AHPI. AHPI, as you remember, like the previous mail, was also from AHPI, that is Association of Healthcare Providers India. So let's see what things. Okay, they have sent a file as well. So let's read the mail and let's see what things they have asked in the requirement. And let me tell you one thing: if you check out my previous mail, those who are new viewers here, if you check out my previous video and also the previous mail in Power BI healthcare domain, you would be able to know that finance team had been involved at that time. So, and also they have told like they will be working with us very closely in this Power BI domain. So let's see what things they have. Like I'm expecting like they will continue to work with us till the end of the project, or there are also some situations where the finance domain only work with us on some part of the project, then they leave it. But let's hope for the best and let's see what requirements they are asking in this mail and also in the upcoming mails. So the subject line is clear. They are asking for some clarification related to patients and inventory metrics. Okay, inventory metrics and patients. Let's see what things they have asked. So it is like, dear Shubham, hope you are doing well. As part of our ongoing reconciliation between medical operations unit and finance insurance compliance division. Okay, so it is fully kind of finance work. So I think finance team will be working with us very closely till the end of the project, and we will be able to learn much more new things, and it will be best thing for you that you will be adding a healthcare domain project in your CV and resume. I mean to say that you can add all the project that I have in my YouTube playlist, I mean YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel, in your CV, resume, also in your LinkedIn platform. So use it, no issue in that. Plus, make sure that you practice it on a daily basis so that on the time of interview, it is really clear for you, like what kind of projects you have made, like what was your observation and what was the requirement kind of thing you as a data analyst help to your client. So, okay, let's continue with this. We need your assistance in deriving a few analytical output. Okay. I have attached the file for your reference. That's a good thing. All the details you need are in there. Good. These requirements are interlinked with multiple operational datasets, so kindly review them very carefully. Okay. means lots of things are interlinked here. This is what I can analyze from the mail. So kindly review them carefully. Okay, okay. So they have three requirements. Means they don't have this requirements. So for now they have three requirement which we have to deliver to them on uh, I mean to say without creating any mistakes, or if we have any issue in that we will ask them as well. So let's see what is the first requirement. First requirement is gender segmented patients enumeration with cross sectional consistency. Okay. We require a consolidated patient count stratified by gender. Okay. Ensuring that overlapping registration, provisional visits, and duplicate encountered IDs are normalized in a single representative entity per individual. The output must segregate counts not just by stated gender but also final reconciled demographic attribute after your internal validation. Okay. Okay. So second thing they have asked, let's read the mail first, then we will analyze it. Second thing they have asked, like therapeutic inventory dispensation aggregation by medicinal identifier. Please compute the cumulative quantity dispensed for each unique medicine, but ensure the aggregation account for variation in medicine ID mapping, multi-branch allocation, substitution cases, and any anomalies where trade name not equal to recorded generic name. Okay. The final summary must reflect the actualized quantity utilized rather than the nominal quantity entered in raw logs. Okay, nice. Insurance coverage attribution across patient cohorts. We need the total number of patients mapped to each insurance provider, no doubt. So that means insurance column is there. Like previously, there was an insurance column like yes and no was there in that. Let's see what details they have right now in this file, because they have sent a new file, I mean to say. If they would not have sent a new file, that means they might have told to work with the previous file, but as they have sent a new file, they might be having a good set of, I mean, patient's name or location, age, all those things. Let's see that. But before that, first read. Let's read and analyze what things they've asked. But with an important qualifier. The count must exclude cases where insurance was declared but later invalidated during financial scrutiny. Okay, okay. So there was some financial issues or kind of risk appetizers they might have found in their system. So that's why they have worked close on that field and they have found out that. So they are asking for a solution kind of thing. Okay, let's continue and include cases where provisional insurance was later approved. Hmm. Essentially, the output should reflect post-audit insurance applicability rather than the preliminary declaration during patient intake. Okay. Kindly revert with this insight at the earliest, ensuring each output is validated for interdepartmental audit compliance. Okay. Regards this, and let's see the file what we have in this. Like if the file is corrupt or not, if everything is good to go, we will send them a mail that file is working and all. Okay, lots of datas are there. Hmm. My goodness, literally. Patient ID, patient name, name. Okay, so there are new names here. Okay, gender. blood group, insurance. Yeah, insurance name is there this time. Okay. So that's a good thing. Means I think everyone had an insurance. Last time, like in the mail, what they have written, there was an insurance scrutiny kind of thing happened. So I think they have sent us a mail, or I mean, sent us a file where proper insurance is there for each and every patient. Medicine ID, medicine name, quantity, cost, disease. Acha, cost price of the medicine. Hmm, okay. Number of visits and all those things are there. Chalo, that means file is in operational way. मतलब file is opening properly. There is no issue in that. ठीक है? So let's send them a mail. चलो ठीक है. So let's send them a mail that hi Desh, hope you are doing well. I have seen the file on upper hand and found that found that the file is in working condition and we will analyze the file again. We will analyze the file again in Power BI. Also, we need to ask something from the above mail. Something from the above mail. Kindly coordinate with us. Coordinate with us for the same. ठीक है, right? Let's write this. As I'm saying this, ask something for the above mail because I need to just specify what things they have asked, what things I have understood, and what things they have asked from their side. So we will be talking about that as well. We will be confirming, then we will be starting with the project. ठीक है? Regards freelance. ठीक है? Let's do this properly. Let's read it again. Hope you are doing well. I've seen the file on upper hand and found that the file is in working condition. Kindly coordinate with us for the same. चलो ठीक है. Let's send the file. Okay, we have sent the file. And right now let's download the file first. ठीक है. चलो चलो. Okay. Right now let's analyze the mail. Before jumping into the file, we have to first analyze the requirement. Then we will directly jump into that and we will do a sanity check on it. ठीक है. So first thing first, what they have asked. ठीक. Let's okay. Right, gender segmented patients enumeration with cross sectional consistency. What they are asking is like they want something like gender wise patient count. From this, what I can understand. Okay, gender wise patient count. So we require a consolidated patient count by gender. This is what we can understand. Okay. That any over provisional visit duplicate income. So they do not want any duplicate IDs normalized into a single representative entity on individual. ठीक है. That means they are saying that कि whatever gender ID or whatever patient, I mean not gender ID, patient ID you will be reflecting in the output, make sure that is not repeated more than once. I mean to say duplicate should not be there. Okay. First thing first. So they need the number of patients in gender count. मतलब male how many, female how many, like that. ठीक है. The output must segregate counts not just by stated gender but also demographic attribute after your internal validation. Okay. So they have written internal validation. ठीक है. Let me ask that as well. Let us write that thing again and again. As per the above mail, I need to ask you and confirm something related to the requirements. ठीक है. Okay. First thing, as per the details asked and as per the detail asked by you, I understood that I need to find out the, what we say, gender wise patient count. ठीक है. I need to find out the gender wise patient count from the file. ठीक है. Let us check once again. So they have male and female. ठीक है. So it is okay. And also geographical this. Wait a minute. Geographical, do they have anything related? No, there is no geographical detail here. At least there should be anything related to country, state or something, but there is nothing as of now. ठीक है. Let's write that. And but let me tell you one thing here. What they have told कि after your internal validation. ठीक है. And as per the geographical as per the demographic attribute, sorry, as per the demographic attribute you have mentioned that it will be related to internal. Okay, you have mentioned that we can carry forward the work with internal. We can carry forward the work followed by internal validation. ठीक है. So as of now I will be required to find the gender wise patient count. ठीक है. Second thing, let's go for the second thing, analyze and ask them. ठीक है. Second thing is therapeutic inventory dispensation aggregation by medicinal identifier. So in this, what I can understand is like they want kind of medicine wise total quantity dispensed. What I can understand, but okay, let's see. Because see, inventory, and always remember, inventory is something where you store, I mean where you keep the product in such a way that when it is required to find the product, you can just go to the product name or the product id and the location id where you have kept the product in the inventory, and you can find out and just take care of the supply chain. So here they have medicine and inventory. So that means what I can think of this is like they want to see the medicine wise total quantity dispensed, what I can understand. But let's see, please compute the cumulative quantity dispensed. See, this is what they've told: quantity dispensed for each unique medicine. Okay, so whatever medicine is that there in their inventory, they want the kind of quantity, like unique, I mean for medicine they want cumulative quantity. ठीक है, but ensure the aggregation account for variation in medicine id mapping. But okay, multi-batch allocation, substitution cases, and any anomalies where trade name not equal to recorded generic name. Okay, let's see. So we don't have any generic name or something. There is just medicine ID and medicine name. Even though name is not there. Anyways, okay, let's ask them this thing. The final summary must reflect the actualized quantity utilized rather than normal quantity entered in. Okay. So they have asked like the final summary should reflect the actual quantity utilized rather than nominal quantity entered in raw log. Okay. So in this we should, I need to ask as per the second requirement, what I can, as per the second requirement, what I can find out is that I need to check the total quantity medicine wise dispensed, total quantity dispensed as your inventory, supply chain records, as per your inventory, as per your, not supply chain, as per your inventory records in the, as per your inventory records in the file. ठीक है. Also in the file we can just see the medicine id and medicine name, not with medicine id and medicine name, but in that we cannot see the generic name of the medicine. So my final output, what I have to find is that that uh, is medicine wise total quantity dispensed. ठीक है, this is the thing. Now let's move to the third requirement. Let me tell you one thing, whenever you are in doubt, just ask. ठीक है, just ask. Do not hesitate to ask any question from your own side. Whenever you feel like you are not able to understand the thing properly, just ask them. They will be helping you out in any way, like either by video call, either by writing a mail. They will help you out. Make sure that you are asking them about the requirements that you are finding out. But you are asking these things when you are in doubt, because the things they have written is kind of intermediate level kind of thing, not easy to understand. That's why I am asking that this is my thought process, this is my understanding. Am I on the right track, or are we on the right page, or are we on the same page in this project? So this is the thing what you have to do in uh, I mean in your corporate work as well as in your freelance work when you are working as a data analyst. And that's why in my live stream I always tell one thing, that is you will be mostly busy in meetings, so communication is very much required. Let me tell you, very 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 important in data analytics point of view. Related to queries, no worries for that, you will understand it in practice. But related to communication, you should be very much sharp, very much focused, so that you could express what is your thinking, what is your mindset to the stakeholder, and also understand what they are trying to ask you in requirement point of view. ठीक है, so this is the thing. Third point, let's read that. Insurance coverage attribution across patients cohort. Okay, we need the total number of patients mapped to each insurance provider, but with an important qualifier. The count must exclude cases where insurance was declared but later invalidated during financial scrutiny. But as per the file, I can see earlier it was yes, no, right? If you check out my previous mail, it was all about yes and no. Right now, they have written the insurance provider name as well. Okay, so this is a good thing they have done. Essentially, the output should reflect post-audit insurance applicability rather than preliminary declaration during patient intake. Okay, we want to see how many people are kind of covered. Like, I mean to say, how many people are having insurance in that. This is what they have asked, what I can believe, right? As per the third requirement, what we can what I can understand is that I need to find out the output where people or where patient versus insurance coverage is there. ठीक है, please correct me if I am wrong in any of the requirements asked. ठीक है, any of the requirements asked. ठीक. ठीक है, any of the requirement asked. Let's write regards Let's not write, let's just copy it here, paste it, do it like that, and that's done. Okay, let's send them the mail and let's wait for the output. Let's see what they are asking in the output. Okay, let's send them the mail first. So we have sent them the mail and let's wait for their response. So for the mail that we have sent, we have received a mail for the above mail. Like we have sent the above mail, right, related to what requirement and what was our thought process for the requirement that you have asked. So just to cross check and just to validate, we have sent them a mail, and right now we have received a mail from their side. Okay, it is like, hi Shubham, let's read the mail. Hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. I just wanted to take a moment to appreciate the way you have understood the requirement we discussed earlier. Okay, so that the things that we have discussed earlier, they have appreciated our way to understand that, and it is really a very easy thing. Let me tell you, it is not a tough thing. It is all depends on how much practice you are doing, how much consistent you are, and how much you are willingly to sacrifice your time in this positive thing. If you are willing to sacrifice your time in this thing, then let me tell you, you can reach anywhere and you can understand anything, any topic. There is no bound, like I would say, there won't be any boundary between you and your success. So that is what I'm trying to say. So, okay, and they have told one more thing. The point you highlighted are absolutely on point, and it's really great to show how accurately you interpreted everything. Okay, that what I am saying. Like once you also practice like this kind of questions, like this kind of scenario questions, you check out my project on a daily basis. I would say, I mean, not check out the project on a daily basis, but you practice the project on a daily basis, you will be able to understand how things goes on behind the scenes and how you will be able to understand the things. Okay. Okay, we have also received, this is the appreciation part. Now let's read the actual part. So also please feel free to use any visual of your choice. Okay, we can use any visual. There is no like, I mean to say, there is no restrictions for that. For representing the data, there are no okay, they have written there are no restrictions at all. You can select what, like whichever charts or layout you feel are most appropriate for the insights. I must say the clarity in your approach reflects the mindset of your highly experienced DA and Power BI developer, and we truly appreciate the professionalism you bring to the work. Looking forward to your output. Thanks again for your great effort. So they have told two things we should take care of. First thing is like key, you can use whatever chart you want, so there is no restrictions in that. And also they have told that key your requirements that you have told in the previous mail is a green signal, means they have shown a green signal from their own side, no restrictions in that. So no visuals, no restricted visuals or no required visuals, we can use any visuals from our own side. And also our requirement are to the point, so no need to worry about. Okay, thanks. And so let's reply them ki hi, Muktesh, thank you for the feedback. I'm very overwhelmed to know that you are happy with my understanding, and I promise that that you will also be happy with our work. ठीक है, that is the thing. Regards. Okay, let's add this. ठीक है, so let's send them the mail. Thank you for feedback. I am very to know that मैं happy with you. ठीक है, चलो send it. We have sent them, and also we will, this is our file, we have downloaded the file. So we have downloaded the file. So right now what we will do is, like, we will open Power BI. ठीक है, Power BI already opened, and right now we will open the file and do a sanity check from Power BI point of view. ठीक है, Excel file, finance. ठीक है, so this is the file. Okay, everything is good, so load it. Where is it? Acha, it's here. Okay, so right now we have this thing, and right now let's go to this Power BI editor. Okay, so Power BI have there two machines or two platform. One is Power BI desktop and one is Power BI editor. And how to move to Power BI editor? By clicking on transform data. In this, how to click on transform data? First you go to home, you go to transform data. In this thing, what will happen? See, in this thing what will happen, there are lots and lots of things we can find out here. I mean, not here we can find out in this ribbon. Okay, lots of things are there, we will talk one by one, no need to worry about. Okay, so first thing first, we have, it is, I think two times it has came, no need to, we will delete this, no need to worry. So in this, what we can see, we can see the whole, I mean the full file related to what things we have, all the things. If you go down, you can find out what details we have and all. Okay, and right now see one thing, there is column name and datas are there. In column name, see, there is data type section is there. Okay, ABC, where there are number, it's 1 2 3, blood group ABC and all those things. So this is the data type part. And let me tell you one thing, if you want to change any data type of your own, you can directly click on this thing and you can find the data type section here, and you can select whatever data type you want to select from your own side. Although Power BI does this thing by default from their side, but still sometimes what happens, like, Power BI is also can create mistakes, right? So that's why, if you feel like कि हाँ चलो, suppose age is into, I would say, what, related to text. ठीक है, suppose age is into, I won't do that. Suppose age is into text, what you will do, you will directly go and click here, change into whole number. ठीक है, simple. This is how you can change it, right? Okay, let's, yeah. So this is one most important thing which we have to check. As you can see, other things are into variable character, like this numbers and letters, variable characters are there. Okay, quantity is in numbers, cost price numbers, mm, severity level. Okay, diagnosis date, see, date is into calendar format. Okay, date type, what we say, date type in Python and SQL. Number of visits, number format, visits, this notes ABC. So right now we will talk about this view. In view we have lots and lots of things. What are all this? Okay, to find the clarity of a column, these things are given. ठीक है. Before moving to that, I will talk about this applied steps. Whatever things you do here in this data set, it will show up here. And why I am saying this, whatever things you do in this data set here, because in Power BI, whatever edit you want to do, whatever edit you want to do, you have to come to Power Query Editor and you have to work here only. Okay, you cannot do that in this Power BI desktop. You can do it. There are several ways, but it is highly recommended to do any edit kind of work, any clarity checking kind of work, sanity checking kind of work in Power Query Editor. Okay? This is the thing. So, okay, in applied step, whatever changes you have done, you can see it here. Okay? Whatever changes you have done, nothing else. You can check it here. Right now, we haven't done any changes, so there won't be any things shown here. Okay? Right now, I want to see how many patients are there without clicking anything. Right, I just want to click here and see how many patients are there. To know about this details, like in Python we have describe. Just go to column profile in view. Okay, when you click this, you will be able to find out everything: count, error, empty, like how many error data are there, how many empty data are there, how many distinct, unique, empty string, minimum, maximum, all those things. Although for the alphabet point of view, text point of view, minimum, maximum is of no use. Although they have given minimum, maximum, actually all the things that are present here, I mean the all statistical things are present here, that things you will be able to understand from this whole number and decimal point of view. When I click it here, now see, lots of things have been shown here in this tab. Count is shown, obviously 1000, because we have 1000 rows. You can check here as well. Errors, no error, distinct 36, okay, unique 0, NaN 000, okay, minimum, maximum, everything, average, standard deviation, even, how many even numbers are there, how many odd numbers are there. Okay. And when you go to this part, value distribution, you can see how many patients, I mean this age, 42 age, how many patients are there. It is like that, 60 patients are there here, 60, 40, 40, like this. Here 20 patients, like that. And what is 2%? 2% is for total of 1000 patients. Like from the 1000 patients, this 25 age is taking care of 2% of the patients from this 1000 patient ID that is available here. Okay? This is the thing. So, okay. Right now, there is one more thing. I am removing this. There is column distribution. When you click on column distribution, here only you will be able to check the statistics part. Not much details are present here. Only unique and distinct details will be present here. Okay? Right now, in say gender, we have two. Two is what? Male and female. That's it. Here 36 distinct, 8 distinct. Okay, in age you might have seen distinct is there, 36, like that. Okay, here 100 distinct, 0 unique. Okay, okay, lots of things are present here. Chalo. 12 distinct dates also, you will get each and everything. Okay, this is, I mean this statistics will be shown to you with the help of column distribution. Right now we have column quality. In column quality, you will be able to get only three things like valid, error, and empty. These things you will be able to get because this shows the quality of the data as per column. Okay, as per the column. Here valid is 100, error 0, empty 0. Okay. If there is any empty cell here, it will show in this statistics wala part. I mean in column quality it will show. Okay. For now, there is nothing like that. Everything is 100%. Now, any white space? No, there is no white space. Mono space, this is just for the font change. For now, these three things are only useful. Okay? Just to know ki how many, I mean, what we say, like how many data are present here with null value, or how many data are present here where we are lacking some data. Why I'm saying this? Because before starting the execution part of your requirement, you have to do a sanity check from Power BI point of view. First sanity check we had done in email, ठीक है, like to check the file is opening or not, ठीक. Second sanity check we have to do in Power BI. Like in SQL and Python, we see after importing the file, like is it okay or not, kind of thing. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. So for now, there is no issue in that. Okay, everything is okay, good to go. If there are any null value or if there are any empty value, would be able to see here. But for now, there is nothing. So no need to worry about that. Let's close it, and we can work on the visualization part in Power BI desktop, or because in desktop only you can work in visualization part. Okay, just go here, Power BI desktop. Here you can see Power BI desktop. Here you can see Power BI editor. Right now, let's understand something which is kind of correlated to desktop and editor. Here you see after the, I mean, before the column name, there are some symbols like sigma, calendar kind of thing. What it represent? Simple things which are having number kind of thing. Sigma is there. Okay? Things which are carrying dates, date, calendar symbol is there. Things which are carrying okay, so things which are carrying nothing, like nothing in the sense only text, there is no symbol present here. I will show you one more thing. When we create a DAX, what kind of symbol it will present, I will show you that when we reach to DAX wala requirement. Okay? So here we will create the visual, simple as that. This is build and all. Right now let's go and check out here what things are there. This is report view where we create our visualization dashboards kind of thing, not dashboard, visualization part. Here we have table view. In table view we will be able to see all the things like in editor point of view, but there won't be like a ribbon of view ribbon kind of thing where we can check all the quality of column and statistics of the column and all. It won't be present here. It is just showing you what things are there, just to see the table view, I mean to say. You don't have to go here, go to editor and all. That's why I'm saying, just to see what details are there, just quick check, quick check kind of thing. So here in table view we have the same thing, same symbols and all. Date hierarchy, date hierarchy is also there. Everywhere it will be there. If the date is in proper format, date hierarchy will be there. Okay? There is properly done and dusted. Okay? Right now this is model view. In model view, whatever, like if you have joined my live stream, you would be able to know about star schemas and snowflake schemas. I have uploaded a video on that as well. Star schemas and snowflake schemas, I mean it is a clip from my live stream. So here we do create all those things. We won't be creating any star schemas or snowflake schemas in this, although we will be creating stars and snowflake schemas in members wala video. If you want, you can go and check that out there. In members video we will be creating star and snowflake schemas, but right now we will be going on the basics point of view, and we will be focusing on DAX in this project video. Okay, that's the thing. And here also full table columns are there with the requirements on the, I mean symbol representing the column. ठीक है, तो चलो, we have to find out some requirements. So first thing we have to find gender wise patient count. ठीक है, this is what we have to find the requirement, like we have told here. We won't be going there because they have approved this as well, that's why. So what they have told, what we have suggested them, or we have understood, like gender wise patient count we have to find out. I have written gender wise patient count. ठीक है, right now they have told any requirement you want you can use it. So I won't be doing any requirement from my, I mean doing any visuals wala work from my side. I will just click it and I will just see what visuals do Power BI suggest to me. ठीक है, we will use that. So first thing first, we have to find out gender. Okay. See, as I've told you, what is the use of it? You can just go here and check. Okay, genders are there, and how many genders? Male and female, just like Excel. ठीक है. So I will go here and click genders. Okay, genders. I will click here. ठीक है. Let me increase a little bit. Yeah, genders. I have clicked here. ठीक है. Right now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the number of patients having this gender male and female. For that, let us see the file. Hmm. We have patient ID. This might be patient ID in a different way. This is the name. So it might be suggesting the same thing, but I don't know why they have kept these two things. I don't know that, even though they have patient ID and patient name. Maybe this is for the system point of view, because in system and also in bed you might have seen, you rather than writing your name they might write a code, or they might paste a barcode kind of thing in that bed, means what patients has been given or has been allotted what bed in what room kind of thing, like that. So maybe it might be of that use. Let's not take care of that. We will be seeing the patient ID. Okay, so I will click on patient ID right here, and let's see what output do they get. Okay. So in this they have given me this output. What happened? Yeah. They have given me this output. Okay. But what we need how many patients are there in male, how many patients are there in female. So I will just click here to select it. I don't know why it is. Huh. When we select the visual, it will show this thing, the minimize and maximize points. ठीक है, like that. So just go here. ठीक है, patient ID is there. At the side, we will get data option. When you click on the data option and when you click on the summarize part, you can see we have all those things, first, last, count and all. So when we count this, we can see the output here. And you might be having a question, what is this summarize part and all? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Like in editor, as I've told you, you can change the data type and all. Here also you can change the data type, but in a different way. When you click on age, as I've told you previously as well, suppose age is in a text format, ABC text format. For that, when you see, you have to change it to numbers. You can change it to numbers here in property. When you click on this, column tools will automatically means take you to this ribbon, column tools ka ribbon, and you can see here summarization and data category. So here you can do all those things, and you here you can do categorize and all. ठीक है? What happened? Yeah. Let me show you one more thing. In blood group, see, it is showing not summarized. In this, what you can, I mean, to say what is your observation here. If somebody would ask me, I would directly go and check other columns as well and see what is my, okay. So from this, what I have find out, what is my observation is like the columns which are having numbers, ठीक है. Numbers means the sigma, they are showing summarize and not summarize. ठीक है. That means those columns having sigma are having summarization, and when summarization is there, that means you can find out the sum, average, minimum, maximum, count and all. If you can remember, then see this. If I go to the age part, column profile, see here summarization part is there, column statistics. This is what I am trying to say about. Earlier I have told you related to this text and this age. I was telling you, right, key in numbers why it is showing so many data and all, because of this thing. When you click some column having a number ka symbol, sigma symbol, I mean to say, you will get all those output here, I mean in the drop down. When you click on text, see, do you get any sum, yeah, min, max, nahi na? That is what I'm trying to say. Sometimes what happen, showing age would be showing like this, not summarized. ठीक है, suppose direct, and see the symbol has also vanished. What I have told you, where there is text, the symbol will get vanished. Directly go here, click here, it will show not summarized. For sure it will show not summarized. That means it is not a correct format. Directly go and summarize it. When you click on any of the things, sum, average, minimum, maximum, count and all, it will give you the summarization part. ठीक है, this is what I am trying to say, just an interview point of view. ठीक है, so we have all this. Let's see, do we get, no, it is no issue in that. Hmm. No issue in that. No, no, no. We won't be doing this much thing. Directly we will go to donut chart and leave it. ठीक है? In donut chart, it is better, and also they told like the count of, okay, we will change the text here as well. When you want to change the text here, directly go and do double click, a format sign will open here, and see here you can change the text where I have given in this title. You directly go right here, gender wise patient count. ठीक है, simple. One, anytime you want to change the title, just go here, do a double click, it will work. ठीक है, and want to collapse it, collapse मतलब hide it, just click here, it will get collapsed. ठीक है, so our first part of the work is done. ठीक, now let's move to the second part, and second part is all about, I think medicine था शायद, total quantity medicine wise. Okay, let's rename it. Quantity medicine. ठीक है, in total quantity medicine, what I will do, I will just see what is there. Okay, so here medicine ID and medicine name has been given. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the medicine name, because as per the data they have not given any medicine name, maybe due to some issue, I don't know why, I really don't know why. uh, but they have given some medicine ID numbers and all as per their data set and their understanding. So what I want to do, I will just take the medicine name, and we have to find the quantity. ठीक है, quantity is here, just click. Now see, it is automatically showing this, but I want in table format. In table, what you can see what medicine have, how many number, I mean how many quantities of this medicine has been sold or had been bought by the patients. Simple as that. We won't be doing much thing here, we won't be taking care of the graph. Why I'm saying this, if you ask me, because medicine is something where lots of data is there for male and female. Two things is there, their graph is good to go. But for medicine, suppose the doctor want to save like medicine number 24 example, how many medicine number 24 had been sold, they can directly go and find out here. Okay? That's why I'm saying number is important, because there are lots of variety in this thing, that's why. So let's keep it like this. Okay? Earlier, why I haven't kept in the tabular format, this tabular format, table format, because there was only two category, male and female, that's why. Right now, okay, let's see what it is. Patients and insurance, okay. So what we have, insurance, let's check. Okay, we have this insurance. And how many insurance? As per the thing, we have 1 2 3 4 5 insurance. Like in Excel, you click here, right, and get the output like that. So we have 5 kind of insurance here. ठीक है? Directly right here. Uh, Patients versus insurance. See, this is how we have to work for freelance client. You have to always do a cross check. You have to always do, like, be there in a meeting. You have to always talk to them, settle up on a single output and work on that. This is what data analyst, mostly data analysts, do behind the scenes. Okay? It is not only about writing query, it is about understanding. Analysis, analyst is what? You will understand, you will analyze. Okay? Until and unless you don't understand the data, don't move forward. That is my what we say, just point to be noted kind of thing. So it is like patients and insurance. I will take the insurance here, and also patient ID. Okay. Here also, okay, here we can see the issue is the, oh, what happened. Literally, it is like when lots of things are there, it happens. It is the issue. Okay, no worries. We will change it here. Hmm. Right now, we can change it here as well. Patient ID is there. We want to summarize, and we will write count. See, right here, we are asking for summarization. That's why. And we will count the distinct. So that is the thing. See how many patients are there and all. ठीक है, simple. And what I will do, I will just put the numbers here. Although categories are less, but still I will put the numbers here. And how you will put the numbers? Directly go to data level. If you can see this, see data level is there. ठीक है? Data level is here. When you click this on, it is off right now. When you click this on, see 15 will be shown. No doubt when you hover over the bar, which it is not showing, it is better to give the data label in this, so that it is easy to understand how many people have took the insurance and all. So let's save the file, and let's save it as finance work. पावर BI, ठीक है, Power BI. And after that, let's give something here where it is desktop. We'll go to more options, and in more options we will go to desktop. In desktop we can go to Power BI finance project, and we will click open here. And file name, what was the file name? I have even forgot. Finance Power BI work, and we will save it. ठीक है? After we save the file, we will go here and we will write a mail in a reply. And hi Muktesh, we have worked on the requirement. Please check once and ask for further more understanding. ठीक है, and we will attach the file here. We will go here and we'll go to desktop. Oh, it's in the desktop, no worries. We'll go to desktop, finance project, Power BI work. It is in PBIX file, PFA the file, and we will write this here, and we have sent. Oops, okay, okay, wait. I think let's check once. Like, do we have sent the file? Okay. Have to do it here like this, this. Let's do it properly. So hi Mukesh, we have worked on the requirement. Please check once and ask for furthermore understanding. We have attached the file and we will send it, and let's wait for the upcoming mail and their requirements. So we have received a mail with respect to the previous mail. ठीक है, previous mail we have sent them the file with covering all the requirements and all. ठीक है, right now we have received one more mail from them, and also we can see, I have not read the mail, but what we can see and we can analyze is that doctors have been CC'd, and okay, so there might be lots of work going on in this project, healthcare plus finance, lots of things. And I think this is the first project in YouTube. Like, I think so, I don't know, there might be someone who might have done like this kind of project related to healthcare, or related to healthcare plus finances, means healthcare finance domain. So I think this is my I don't know, this is like first kind of video for Power BI point of view. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because every month we bring new projects, and also every day you will be able to see new videos in my YouTube channel. As you can see as well, like right now the sequel learning series is going on, 365 days 365 video learning series. You can check that as well, and it will start from 1st January till 31st December 2026, and next year also we will continue that as well. Okay, so okay, please subscribe to my channel, because I am bringing like this kind of, I would say, interactive project where actually you can see what a data analyst do behind the scenes. Like, this is the, I mean, best thing to know. Like, you are learning all those queries, all those analysis you are doing from your own side, like how to tackle that with the client. Like, this kind of projects are brought to you from my side. So please do subscribe to my channel. It really makes me feel happy for that. Okay, right now let's read the mail and let's see what requirements they have asked. For now, I can see 6 requirements, but we have to read the mail. So it is like, is it visible? Yeah. Is it like, hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. Before, let me just move it here a little bit. Yeah. Hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. Before moving ahead, I want to sincerely appreciate the quality of the previous delivery. Thanks a lot. Your interpretation of data set, your structuring logic, and overall analytical precision clearly reflect the mindset of an experienced DA. Let me tell you one thing, you can also become an experienced DA. It is not a rocket science kind of thing. The more you practice in something, the more expert you become in that field. Okay, simple as that. More practice, more expertise. Simple logic, nothing else. So really great work, and thank you for maintaining the standard. Welcome for that. And really, it is a good thing, like they liked our work. So that is the good thing. Okay, now the serious part, actually serious part. For the upcoming phase, please review the following requirement specification. These have been framed keeping in mind analytical depth, so kindly interpret them accordingly. Okay, okay, so there are 6 requirements we have to find out, because they have written requirement sets and all. So first is stratified patient distribution across predefined age cohort. First we will read the requirements, then we will check out from the table, and then we will look that is there anything we need to ask to the client, or can we easily find out the requirements. Second thing is derivation of high volume therapeutic entities based in aggregate dispensation metrics. Top 5, okay. Here we will do some filtration part, because top 5 has given, and top 5, top 10, or top n kind of things are done in filtration part. Like if you have followed my previous Power BI project, you would have able to know about it. Third thing is cross-dimensional quantification of medicine utilization segmented by patient hematological grouping. Okay. Patient hematological grouping matlab, okay. We have to ask that what it is all about. Oh, I think what what I can analyze is that I think there are lots of this medical terms. I mean biological terms, medical terms are there. That's why doctors has been done in CC. We will ask them. No need to worry. Canonical mapping framework between medicine ID and associated cost price schemas. Okay. Patient level consolidated pharmaceutical consumption metrics. Okay. There is no okay. Baseline relationship integrity visual reflecting core data model linkage. For now we will ask this thing, what is this hematological group? Might be some biological term which we might not be able to know. थियोपैथिक एंटिटीज मतलब कि मेडिसिन का है क्या? Because they have written something here related to that. Theopatric inventory. Theopatric is medicine. That I knew from starting only, because in class 11, sorry, class 10th bio, I have learned about it. I have studied that. That's why 10th bio. I don't know, you might have studied or not, but in our book, we have this term, which is the term for medicine. And also, if you are not able to understand it, no worries. This inventory and medicinal identifier, this is more than enough to understand. Like this is the term for medicine. ठीक है. So okay, this is for medicine. ठीक है, medicine entities based in this. Okay. Okay, we will ask. No worries. No worries. For subject matter clarity, I have CC'd 3 doctor, 2 MD, and 1 neurologist. Okay, I think this is the only reason they have CC'd to them, because some biological terms are there. We need to ask them. Okay. Let's see. Should you require clinical context, data set interpretation, and or domain validation, you may reach out to them directly or CC me as needed. Okay, so they have written as well. Ki if you need anything, we have uh, CC'd them for your rescue. We can ask them directly. They have given permission, written permission. Simple. Also, feel free to use any visualization technique or layout you find suitable. ठीक है. We can use anything. In previous mail also they have written, and in this mail also they have written, so no worries for that. There are no restriction on visual selection. ठीक है. This is the same thing. You have complete flexibility to choose the representation that best align with your analytical approach. Looking forward to your next submission. Once again, appreciate the professionalism you bring to the project. Okay. This the doctors, let's reply and let's see what things, like what is our thought process and what is their thought process. Like is it matching or is it been deviated? Let's see. uh, Mukesh, hope you are doing well, and thanks a lot for ceasing doctors in the mail. in the mail, as there are some, I would say there are some uh, medical term which I need to find out uh, find out with their help. Okay. And as my thought process as my thought process this is the requirement that you have presented in the mail. Okay, no worries, no worries. See, this is how things work as a data analyst. Like when you will become data analyst, there will be situations where you will have to ask the client about the doubts lot of times. Believe me, lot of times. You will be mostly your full day will go in meetings, full day will go into mail communications and all to understand the data. Once the data is understood from your own side, from your side, because you are the analyst, right? They understand the data properly because they have given the data, they understand it very properly. Main issue, I would say the main thing is you should understand the data from your own side. Your mind should have all the details about what term it is, how it is connected, like from this data can we find out this requirement. All those things should be there in your mind. Okay, so before like I would say finding out any requirement or presenting them any requirement, make sure you uh, have a cross check kind of thing, like which is tough for you. Okay, easy thing, no worries, but which is tough for you, make sure you like give a written document or in a mail. I mean to say written document in a mail, or have a direct video call meeting with them and write a MOM. Make sure you have a written document so that tomorrow if some things happen, you can show them ki I have a written document sent to you from my side and you have approved it. So I have started my work so that you are on the safe side. At least you are on the safe side. This is what I'm trying to say. In freelance, in corporate, there are people to deframe you. There are people, well, not all, only 5 to 10% people will be there in the world who will be there to deframe you for any XYZ reason. I don't know why, but make sure you are on the safe side. And how to be on the safe side? Either you are in corporate sector, either you are in freelance sector, or either anywhere you are there in the world, any work you want to do, make sure you have a written document. Okay, written document is, I would say, the valid document which you can provide to someone else. Okay, either it's in mail, it is the best thing. Let me tell you, best thing. Second thing, in, I think, see, right now in WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere you can directly delete it. Okay, delete for everyone, this stuffs are there. Okay, so mail, there is no deletion, there is nothing. Right? In mail, there is no such things like in social media platform. So I would say mail is the best thing. Please make sure you are having this practice so that in near future, if you uh, like face any of the negative things, any of the issues, you are on the safe side. That is my way to approach the client or corporate field. Like when I was working in corporate field, I used to do the same, and also they will also tell you to do the same. That is professionalism, that is the thing. So okay, let's write. In the first thing what they have asked, stratified patient distribution across predefined age cohort. Okay, in this what I can find out, they are asking for patient distribution as per age. I will write like this: as per the requirements you have given to me in mail, I have I have understood it from my side and presented in the and down the jotted down the points in this mail. ठीक है? It is better to write that patient distribution as per each. Second thing is what? Second thing is for sure it is uh, medicine, that I know because I have studied about that. Matlab not fully studied, but I have know about this uh, biological keyword or biological lingo or medical lingo, and I know like they are asking something related to that and derivation of high volume. Let me check the things. High volume means medicine name. Volume is always into quantity, right? Okay, volume is always into quantity, that I know. So let's write this thing. Is it about finding out top 5 medicines by quantity. ठीक है, this is the thing. Third thing I need to understand about this, I need to understand this medical terminology ठीक है. This is my thing to understand. Oops, sorry. Fourth, ठीक है. Fourth, like patient level consolidated. Oh, sorry. Fourth is canonical mapping framework between medicine ID and cost price schemas. Okay. Medicine ID and cost price. Medicine ID, and is there anything okay, here cost price is there. So medicine ID and cost price. Understood. It is perfect. It is like versus cost price in output. ठीक है. Yeah, it is okay. Fourth is done. Fifth, patient level consolidated pharmaceutical consumption. Hmm, patient level consolidated. What is better? Patient level consolidated consumption, medicine consumption. So patient wise medicine taken, or it is better to say total. Oh, sorry. Medicine taken. ठीक है. Sixth, oh, sorry for that. You can use this thing. ठीक है, numbered list. Although there are only 6 lists, so I have just preferred to write and do it. But make sure if there are lots, I mean, if there is a big list, make sure you click on this. It will automatically do the work for you. I don't know why it is not working for me in Word. I mean, it works properly, but I don't know why it is not working here. Anyways, no worries for that. We have reached the last requirement. A relationship between uh, core data modeling. data modeling linkage. There is no I don't know, like they have told core data model linkage, but what should we link? They haven't done anything. ठीक है, as far as I can understand, core data modeling. Have they written something? It is in name and cost base. They haven't done anything. Understand. No, I want to understand what core linkage or what uh, columns should I prefer in the linkage. ठीक है. This is, I will write a star like that. Why I am saying this? To make sure I understand. These are the two things which I need to offer. Uh, out of that, out of the above, I need I need I'm really sorry. I know I need serious help in points 3 and 6 if possible. I am ready to, if possible, I am ready to take a conference call. ठीक है, let's write this and then write regards and send them the mail, and let's see what output do they give us. ठीक है, ठीक, that is the thing. 3 and 6. ठीक है, and they are already in CC and we are replying, so no need to worry about doctors will be also there in the CC, so no need to put additional CC and all those things. Actually it is in CC and we are replying to them, so no need to worry about. Okay, we will send the mail. Let's check once. We'll send the mail and let's wait for their response. So we have sent the mail properly and let's wait for the response. So right now we have received a mail from Dr. Tiwari. Okay, like if you remember the previous mail, like Mr. Muktesh, who is actually the point of contact for me, like data analyst to the client, some point of contact would be there. So he is the point of contact. He had written in the previous mail like two MDs and one neurologist. I mean, three doctors are also there in the CC. If you want to ask something related to any of the requirements, they are also there to help you. So it is really the best thing, like a doctor is taking out some time, like taking out time from his prestigious time to answer us in a mail. So really that's a good thing. So my point of view is like, what I want to say from this is like, you will get lots and lots of good clients as well as lots and lots of bad clients, but make sure that when you get good clients in your freelance work, always be very much loyal to them. Really, always be very much loyal to them. You should be good to them. Doesn't matter if they are bad to you or something. If they are working out of rules, then you should actually have a good talk with them. But if they are in the rules, on the track, and they are always keeping you in a loop regarding to the requirement, regarding to the payment. Always be loyal to them and always take this as a blessing from God. That's what I'm trying to say. Always take that as a blessing, because in today's world it is really tough to find good clients. Let me tell you, from my experience I'm saying, I don't know about others. From my experience I'm saying, no doubt my uh, like I have worked with total 8 clients. All of the clients are very much good to me, but still there was some time where there was up and down. Ignoring that, I would say all the clients were good, and still I pray to God that my next clients, I mean my future clients, should also be good to me. So that's, I just praying to God, that's it. So okay, let's read the mail. Lots of story talking about it, like lots of storytelling kind of things. Let's talk about the requirements. What requirements did this requirement number 3 and 6 is having behind the scenes? Let's read that. So okay, hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. I am Dr. RM Tiwari, MD. Okay, writing to you as a part of medical team under AHPI. Nice, nice, nice. I wanted to personally appreciate the effort you are putting into understanding the data set and the medical concept involved. Okay, okay. So he is also really happy with the work. Even though you are not from medical background, the level of interest you are showing to grasp the clinical aspect is truly commendable. Okay. Actually, my thing is I want to become a doctor, but lots of theories are there, and I am not really a studious kind of guy. Let me tell you, I'm not like that kind of guy, like I would study it that much and all. And for doctor you need a good amount of dedication. I mean, for every field you need a good amount of dedication, but for especially for doctor, really, uh, like they are on the benchmark. Let me tell you, doctors are really the, I would say, lots of dedication is required, and that much dedication I don't have. That's why I won't be able to become a good doctor like them. But anyways, okay, it's always great to see someone from data side trying to bridge the gap between analytical and medical science, and I really appreciate that professionalism from your end. Really, thanks for that. Your previous work was very structured, clear, and aligned with our expectations. So, thank you once again for delivering with such sincerity. See how much, man, let me tell you, like, see his personality, like how they are mailing to us, what were things they have written, like, like, I don't have any words to say, let me tell you. It's really the best mail I would say I have received from someone else. And that too from a doctor. Wow. Regarding the current phase, I have reviewed all 6 requirements, okay, and I want to confirm that your understanding is all of all point is correct, okay, because out of the 6, I have only doubt in 2, 3, and the sixth one. I mean the third and the last one. So let's read the next line. However, I would like to add some clarity specifically for requirement 3 and 6, since this to involve clinical content and linkage logic. Right, right. Actually, the sixth one, they were not very much clear about what columns we have to take care for the linkage. And third one is purely into medical field. So third one is very much tough for me to understand. Sixth one, the data was not up to the mark, so we have to ask, and we have asked them. Simple as that. So, okay, let's check that. Clarification for requirement 3. Patient hematological grouping refers to patient's blood group classification. Okay, okay. So, it is about blood group. Right now, we understood. Okay. Hematological grouping is blood group. And clarification for requirement 6, for relationship checks. Visual, the expectation is clean and logical representation of how the data sets connect, especially focusing on medicine, cost price, patient blood group, and patient remark. Okay, okay. So, cost price for medicine and blood group and remark. Okay, 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 okay. No complex medical intervention is needed here. Just ensure the relationship reflect real world connectivity. It would be better if I can Get some more specificity about medicine type if possible in BI work. Okay, medicine type. Specificity in medicine type matlab, what I know is like from my experience I am saying he want medicine type in a slicer. Okay, so when you click medicine type, that would be connected to the cost price, also that would be connected to the blood group, also that would be connected to the remark. Okay, lots of things they have to. Nice, yeah, nice. It would be a really good project if you go through it. If possible in BI work, yeah, it is possible. We will make it. If not possible, we will make it possible because we are data analysts. Anyhow, we will do it. We have to do it. If you need help understanding any medical terminology, logic, or dataset meaning, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I am more than happy to support you in this process. You can also CC Mr. Muktesh if you prefer. Okay, but right now, okay, anyways, it is clear right now what things we have to find out. But still, if any issue, we will refer to any one of them. No worries. Thanks again for your enthusiasm and enthusiasm. Sorry for that. And commitment. It's a pleasure working with someone who genuinely wants to understand both the data and medical domain. Warm regards. Okay, Miss Dr. Tiwari. And okay, HOD. My God, head of department, AHPI. Wow, yeah. Literally, it's really. Sir. Hi, Doctor. It's really a prestigious thing. Like Dr. Tiwari, like doctor word is prestigious. Hope you are doing well. And thanks to mail us regarding the requirements. Thanks to mail us regarding the requirements. Regarding the requirements by taking some time from your prestigious no and thanks for taking out some time from your prestigious to mail us regarding the requirement. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, regards. Okay, why I'm writing this, I can directly mail it. Yeah, done. Thanks for taking out some time. I think the requirements. Okay, thank you. Let's send this. Send, and let's go with the requirements set. See, Dr. R.M. Tiwari is here, and that's it. So this is the requirement part, and let's work on this 6 requirement in our Power BI environment. Okay, so first let's do this. Let's minimize this. I hope everything. Let me just adjust this here. Yeah, I hope it is good right now. I hope it is good right now. Yeah, it is like that. चलो ठीक है, properly aligned. ठीक, चलो पेज 1. हाँ, patient distribution as per age. चलो, it is simple. Patients I hope it is done. Oh, sorry. Distribution as per age. चलो ठीक है. Patients distribution as per age. What we will do? And also we can use any of the visuals, so no need to worry about, we can use any, no worries for that. So age will be here, and with the sum of age, and in that we will take patient's id, take, and we will use this, let's use this. Patient's distribution as per age. It is not properly done. X-axis, let's take age, and y-axis, let's take patient ID. I hope it is visible. It's better. Right now it's good. We will change this thing. Why it is not? Chalo. Here we will change this thing. Patient distribution as per age. ठीक है? Done and dusted. This is patient distribution as per age. Okay. Properly done and dusted. No worries for that. Done. Let's make it kind of proper data. Shading area done. It should look good. That's why. Can you see the data format? No, let me see the visuals. Zoom slider, shade area on. Trending lines. Should I do something? No. Shadow. Okay, shadow we have added. Should look something clear. We can add shadow here as well, but leave that. We can add if you want. Let's add shadow because I'm really liking it. That's why I'm saying. Shadow. Shadow here, like you can write shadow here and you can add. So this is really a good thing, I would say. I don't know why it is not getting selected. Shadow on. It is really laggy. Matlab, this Windows, I don't know why they should take care of this. It's really laggy. I don't know. It's because as far as I know, Windows laptop are fast right now, but it is like more than 5 years, so maybe it might be slow. But anyways, no need to worry. Our work is done. That's more than anything. So count of patient ID and age. Okay, that's it. Hmm. Let's see. Count of patient ID and age. Chalo. This is the first requirement done. Right now, let's go to second requirement. Finding out top 5 medicine by quantity. Chalo. Medicine name and quantity. Let's see. So medicine name and quantity, it looks like that. Right now, we will be adding filter. In filter, we will be just wait a minute. In filter, we will be taking top n. How to do it? Directly go to filter name, basic filtering, top n. Here we want 5. And what value should be there? Value should be taken in quantity. Quantity मतलब sum of quantity. ठीक है? And apply filter. Right now see. Medicine 13. Sum of quantity, my lot of quantity has been purchased 11, 41, 69, and 81. Okay, so these are the things. And let's rename it. What should we write? We should write. We will also correct the title, so it is top 5 medicines by quantity. Okay, and we will change this here. So we will write top 5 medicines by quantity. Okay, top 5 medicines by quantity, and let's do some visual work, shadow भी कर देते हैं, चलो बढ़िया. It looks good right now actually. Now add, so we have done the two requirements. Right now we will add one more requirement here. It is related to patient's hematological grouping. That means they want something related to blood group. And wait, let us read that. Okay, blood group and medicine, that's it, because cross dimensional is they want blood group wise medicine, that's it. And quantification matlab quantity, simple, from the word you can understand. Blood group, this word I won't be able to understand, that's why we have asked. So it is about blood group wise medicine quantity. चलो ठीक है. Blood group wise medicine quantity, medicine ID we will write count. ठीक है, that is the thing. Blood group by medicine count. ठीक है, simple. Blood group by count of medicine ID. Let's write this properly. Medicine ID by blood group. चलो बढ़िया. Rename it by blood group. ठीक है. Medicine ID by blood group. Okay, we have done that. Okay, let's rename it properly. Medicine ID by blood group. Done and dusted. Right now we will be working on something related to, so this three things are done. It is like mapping, canonical mapping framework between medicine ID associated with cost price schemas. So it is all about medicine ID and cost price relation, simple as that. Let's see what we have in this medicine ID and cost price. Okay, it is all about that. Medicine ID and cost price relation. Let's see, do we have something good? Okay, we have lots of good things here. This funnel, this is the thing. Let's see, we have used, because they have not told anything related to that, that's why. Okay, it's close to 3 million, my goodness. They have not told anything, but still it is like we can directly find the output from that. Let's see, anything good. It is 3 million, my goodness. Medicine ID, cost price, my goodness. Cost price is there, medicine ID. Okay, let's leave that because they haven't told anything related to this. So cost price. And let me tell you one thing, if you want to make your project more good, you can add your own visualization. It is nothing like that, it is no restriction is given. You can add your own, no worries for that. Okay, I am just showing you how things work behind the scenes. You can make it more beautiful by adding lots and lots of details in that. There is no restriction in that. It is depend on your uniqueness and all. Okay? That is the thing. Anyhow, let me tell you, in real world scenario, each and everything is told from the freelance point of view ki what visuals you have to use, like that they tell each and everything. Okay? Like if they don't tell, they actually say to change about the visuals. If they don't like the visual, they will say change it to this thing, change it to that thing, do this color, that color. If I add like this kind of scenario, the project will be like 6 7 hours. That's what I'm saying. You can add any of the visuals from your own side, no worries for that. Okay, so we can write medicine ID versus cost price. Okay, done and dusted. Right now, this is done. Now, patient level consolidated pharmaceutical consumption matrix. मतलब patient wise total, what I've written, patient wise total medicine taken. Okay, let's rename it. So it is like patient wise total medicine taken. Okay, let me do it here. It would be visible to you. Okay, these are the things. Patient wise total medicine taken. Let me check once. Okay, so in this thing what we will have total medicine taken. If I check the data, so patient name, we will add patient name here, and then we will add quantity, because quantity is what, how many medicine taken, and each patient has taken how many medicine, that we have to find out. So it is like, not patient name, name should be there, and quantity का sum. ठीक है, so these are okay. So this patient has taken total 80 medicines, and this patient, lots of patient have taken medicines. That's a good thing. And no, it is actually not a good thing. Like, you should be fit enough. But anyways, we should not comment on that. Actually, we should not comment on that. It is fully into them. Shadow. Oh, not here. Sorry. Shadow is given. What happened? Oh, it removed. Okay, no worries. Name is there, quantity sum. ठीक है. Oh, okay. So patient wise total medicine taken. Let's save it first, because okay, it is done. So these are the patient and these are the medicine taken, and you can just scroll up and down. We can write here. Can change the title. Medicine taken. Okay, done. And right now the last thing related to slicer. This is the important thing. It is related to relationship between relationship between what things, medicine versus blood group versus remarks. Okay, we have written it. Right now let's see what things we will do. We will do it step by step. First we will check what things like doctor has written. Let's check out that medicine with cost price. We will do one by one. Okay, medicine ID with cost price. Okay, and we will write it in data, because they have told to add specificity, means they want to see the data and all. Okay, and we will be, yeah, done and dusted. Okay, medicine and cost price. Right now doctor have told us to give specificity in medicine type. ठीक है. Hmm, specificity in medicine type मतलब we will add slicer. We will add slicer here for this related to wait, I forgot what it is. Medicine type, the medicine name, and we will do it in easy format so that it is easy for one to understand. Okay, right, it is better. Means if you click on medicine one, it will show the cost of medicine one. Medicine 16, it should be like that. Okay, simple. And when you don't click anything, it will show each and everything in the output. So it is connected in such a way, like it is connected by default. You don't have to do anything. If you connect like this, it will show you the output. Simple as that. What happened? चलो ठीक. Okay, right now it's okay. Second thing, he had asked for patients and blood group. So we will add a not slicer, but details for blood group. Blood group as well. Blood group. It's really tough to take these things from here to here. I don't know why it is not happening. Okay, right now it's correct. So blood group given. Right now we will add remark as well. Is the remark? Is it in the name of remark or is it in the name of anything else? It is notes. Sorry. Notes. So we will add notes also in this. Okay. It is mixture of all the three things. Notes plus blood group plus we will reduce it a bit because blood group okay. It's really testing my patience. Okay, no good. Okay. So the thing is, what will happen right now is like this. Let me bring this thing in between. Okay, right now it's okay. Right now the doctor has asked for specificity in medicine name. Okay. If you click on this, what it will show like this. If you click on this, all the three things are connected. What blood group they have and all. If I click on this, see, blood group is also reduce or increase. Also notes are also there. If you click on this, see, you see just the blood group name how it is changing. Click on 42, see, notes also changed, blood group also changed. So this is the relationship that they are asking for. It is like that. You and each and everything is in proper format like that. See, you click on the blood group, each and everything will change. Cost price will change, notes will change, blood group will change. Okay, each and everything is there, and it is fully in vice versa mode. If you click on this B positive, you will get all those things from that. Matlab, you can select on medicine 2 as well, select on B negative, and see what notes are there for B negative, for AB positive. For this medicine 2 only, you can see medicine 2 only I am checking for each and every blood group what notes they have written. Okay. For B negative, see, follow up 3 months. Sorry, for B negative, diet plan. AB positive, lifestyle, counseling, stable current. AB negative, all those things. See, this is the relationship, and this relationship is done by default from, I mean to say, from Power BI point of view. You don't need to do anything. Anyhow, if there are lots and lots of table, you have to do a connection like star schemas or snowflake, I mean star schemas or snowflake schemas. You have to connect it, and after connection it will show properly. Although in this table we can see, I mean in this data set you can check out that each and everything is on a single table, so each and everything is automatically connected. No need to worry about that. Okay, so it's done and dusted. And right now let's close all this. Let me save it. This all pages only I'm deleting, nothing else. What happened? Hmm. I just want to change, anyways. Okay. Right now it's good. Add a shadow in that, and that is good to go. Okay, all the things are interconnected, and let us delete these things. Oops, sorry for the 5 6 and 7, and send the file to them, and let's see if they have any more requirements in that. What things we have seen till now, let's find that out. So it is all about this thing: patient distribution per age. Patient distribution per age, then top 5 medicine by quantity, where then blood group is there. Let me showcase you all those things. Then blood group is there. After that, medicine ID and cost price. ID cost price. Then patient wise medicine taken, patient wise medicine taken, then linkage should be there. Relationship, chalo, ठीक. Everything done and dusted, and you have seen the actual use of slicer in this. Everything is properly done. See, medicine name, blood group, notes, everything is properly done, and everything is properly connected. That is by default in Power BI point of view, and this is the beauty of Power BI. It is very easy to use, very much easy to understand, and very much easy to learn, to grasp up things. That is the thing. Okay, we have saved the file, we have done everything, and we will write a mail to them. We will reply, hi Muktesh, hope you are doing well. I have done the work as per the requirement, and also thanks again to Dr. Tiwari. Okay, let's write the full name. Dr. RM Tiwari. ठीक है, Dr. RM Tiwari. I mean to say, without his help, it would be really tough for me to take care of this data set and medical terminology. ठीक है, PFA the file. Let's execute it. ठीक है, let's send the file. We have saved the file, and we will send, and we have also done this. ठीक है, right now regards. Okay, done. See, lots of work we have to do, and that's really interesting. Actually, this is interesting. Like you're talking with lots and lots of people out there. It's really interesting, bro. Matlab, I like it. So hope you are doing well. I've done the work as, and also thanks again to Mr. Dr. R.M. Tiwari. Without his help, it would be really tough for me to take care of this data set and understanding medic. Oh, sorry, and understand medical terminology. PFS the file regards this, and let's send the mail and let's see what mail do we receive. And I hope, not hope, I am 100% sure that we will get some DAX work in this new mail. Let's see what DAX work we will do in this upcoming project. So let's wait for the mail and let's see what is the requirement all about. We have received a mail from the BI team for this. I mean, for the previous mail, like we have been aligned with doctors, as well as we have done a lot of work where medical terminology is used. So lots of domains, even though doctors have been aligned with us in this project. Right now, what I can see is like BI technical team, something they have written. Oh, see, BI technical team. So technical team, like BI technical team has also aligned with us. And okay, we can see one more thing, like DAX driven. I think this requirement, I mean this set of requirement or this requirement set is related to DAX. So let's see what we have in that, and this is the main focus point for this video. So please focus on these things, and we will be working on that. We will be learning DAX as well. So it is like let's read the mail first. Like, hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. We wanted to take a moment to sincerely appreciate the quality of work you have delivered so far. Thanks for that. The effort, clarity, and responsiveness you have shown are the reason we requested to continue communicating with you directly through email. Your willingness to understand our dataset and logic has genuinely impressed us. That's a good one. As the next phase involves more DAX driven calculation. See, I've told you. That means from this bold letters I can understand, but I have not read the mail. Right now I'm reading the mail, and my thought process, or I would say my guess is right. Like we will be working on DAX right now. Still, we will read the mail. DAX driven calculation and Power BI model alignment. Our Power BI technical team is stepping in as the primary point of contact. At the moment, our BI department is in recruitment and development phase. Okay, so their BI team, they are developing their own BI team. That is the reason they have hired data analyst like us, like we they have hired us for the work, because work won't stop. Let me tell you, work never stop. There will be some of the other one, like if I got laid off from any of the companies, suppose, or any of the freelance work, I got laid off, or they remove me from the work, or my what we say uh, contract get done with the client, work won't stop. Work will happen, and company will make sure their work is done in that given time. Okay, so right now they don't have a team. They have hired a freelance gig, and they have done their work. This is how businesses work. Let me tell you, business never stops, money flow never stops, everything goes on with the flow. That is what I'm trying to say. So at that moment, okay, where we were recruitment development phase, which is why we are assigning the DAX related work to you externally. Okay. Visual designing is your choice. You may use any visual you prefer. Our primary tool is ensuring the DAX logic and metrics are accurate. Okay then. Okay. Below are the means we can use any of the visuals our wish. Below are the 5 DAX oriented requirement for the upcoming stage. Oh, okay. Requirement set is total quantity of all medicine, total unique patients, total unique. I think they will use this DAX in near future for the future work. That's why they have given all this, and this is the easiest one. Don't worry, I will show you how to use it and all. Total unique medicine, total cost, average cost per patient. Okay, and this requirement are structured exactly as needed, and your interpretation of them so far has been accurate. If you need any help, whether related to DAX modeling or dataset understanding, please reply directly to this mail. We are here to support you throughout the process. See how nice they are actually. They are ready to help us out as well. But anyways, if we need any requirement, we will obviously mail them. Like this is things we are facing issue. Clear this out. Simple as that. So let's write a mail reply like, hi Rishi, hope you are doing well, and thank you for the appreciation regarding the work. The work, if what should we write? If I face any issue during the work, I will surely let you know. ठीक है? Simple as that. Let's write this reports. Okay, done and dusted. Let's see what do we have in this. Let's send the mail. Okay, no issues. Let's give this out, and it is very easy. It is to the point. No need of understanding any means no intermediate or advanced level of thinking is required. It is directly to the point. Let's see what things we have. First thing first, let's make something. I hope it is visible to you. Let me just keep it here. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, done. Now it's good. ठीक है. So first thing first, what they have asked, they have asked total quantity of all medicine. ठीक है. Let's rename it. Of all medicine. ठीक है, done and dusted. Simple. Okay, first thing first, let's understand about the requirements and also the core theory about what is DAX, what is the full form, how to use DAX in Power BI. First thing first, what is DAX? DAX. DAX is data analysis expressions. Expression starts from E, but X is E. Simple. And no need to worry, it is same. Data analysis expression is the full form. It is used in Power BI, Excel, Power Pivot, and SSAS. It is related to SQL Server. Why it is used? It is used to create measures, or I would better it is used to create calculations which is from your logical or your technical point of view. If you want to create something logic by taking columns from the data set and create additional output from your side as per your requirements, you will be needing the help of DAX. ठीक है, we will be creating DAX in this Power BI desktop, and how to create it I will show you. So everything is good. Yeah, for DAX, simple, go to home. ठीक है, here we have two things, measures and quick measures. When you click on measures, you can directly see here it is written, just yeah, write a DAX expression that's calculate a value from your data. When you go to this quick measures, it is all about creating DAX but with the help of Copilot and all. ठीक है, we will go to measures and we will create a DAX. So for that, it is like total quantity of all medicine. Simple, total quantity of all medicine. Okay, let's go here and understand what it is all about. You can see here quantity and medicine. ठीक है, if I tell you in Excel कि find me the total quantity of all this. What you will do, you will directly write equal to sum, then quantity का column you will write, you will get the output. ठीक है, same thing we will be doing here, same thing we will be doing here, trust me. How to do it? Directly go to home. In home ribbon, go to new measures, click here. When you click on new measures, you will see this ribbon. ठीक है, measures equal to this. You can edit the measure name as well. Directly write what you will write, total quantity, simple total quantity. After equal to, what you will write, what you want, simple, you want the sum of quantity, because they have asked total quantity of all medicine. Directly write sum. When you write this, you will get lots of things. So sum is there, summarize column, and sum x. We will use sum x as well, no need to worry about. Right now we will use sum. Just click on it. Okay? When you click on sum, Power BI gives you requirement like sum of what you want. Okay? Directly it is there. So this is the best thing of Power BI. You no need to think about anything. They will directly give you all the related things which can be coordinated with the sum function. Yeah, sum measure. Okay? Here what we need the sum of all the quantity. Okay? Directly go here. Sum of quantity, is it visible? Yeah. Click here, close parenthesis, simple sum of quantity. Sheet 1 is the sheet, it is available, and click enter. So two things, any of the two things, either of the two things will be visible to you. If the DAX is okay, no error sign will be visible here in this data. Okay, now see, they have already created, see this measures. Okay, as I've told you on the starting of the video, when you will be creating DAX, it will get a symbol at side of the DAX whatever you have created. So when you create DAX, a calculator sign will be created. See here as well, a calculator sign is there. So calculator sign means this is a DAX. Okay, simple as that, this is a DAX. For if some recruiter point of view, freshers point of view, if they ask you like what symbol do you see when you create a DAX, in the data wala data section, directly say DAX is all about calculator. We calculate from our own logic, from our own technical point of view. So whenever we create DAX, a calculator symbol comes into that, comes in front of the column, I mean measure, I mean to say, it is not column, it is measure. Okay? Don't get confused with the calendar, because sometimes calendar ka it kind of looks similar. If you can see this two thing, kind of looks similar, but don't get confused in that. Okay? Okay, where we were, total quantity, sum, sheet 1 quantity, enter. What will happen? No error sign, no error sign, that means we have created the DAX. And right now check here, see, you can see total quantity is present here with a calculator sign. Done and dusted. You click on the middle, it will go. Right now I need to see in card. In card what will happen, it will give you the proper data. Directly how to give it? See, this is the total quantity of medicine, total quantity of all the medicine. ठीक है, total quantity of all the medicine. This is the use of DAX. Simple as that. ठीक, give a shadow, simple, done and dusted. So just a minute. What happened? No, why it is not working, by the way. It is there. Title I will write, oops, total quantity of all medicines. ठीक है, done and dusted. And this is the first series of using DAX. So we will be going from very basics. ठीक है, very basics. Those who have no idea about any BI tool related to Tableau or Power BI, they can also be able to understand. This is my point of view, because as far as I know, most of you people think ki Power BI is only about this dashboard and all, but there are a lot of things to be taken care of in Power BI. So this is my mission to make sure you understand each and everything in Power BI, ठीक है, from zero, ठीक है. These are the basics things. I know most of you might have knowledge about it, but though if you have good amount of knowledge about it, then you can directly just say it and refresh your knowledge. Those who are new here, I mean new to Power BI, please make sure you understand it. How do we create DAX? What kind of DAX are there? There are a lot of DAX. This is very simple, very basic, ठीक है. And this project is for everyone, ठीक. Those who have a basic knowledge, I mean freshers level 1 and 2, I mean to say that, ठीक है, simple. So first requirement done, ठीक है. Second requirement, let's find out what it is. Total unique patients. Let's go here and let's write this, rename total unique patients, ठीक. Sim, okay, it's done and dusted. Let's hide this. Is it okay? Yeah, everything working. Total unique patients. Okay, let's go to the table. First understand all those things, then only you will understand what you need to find out and all, ठीक है. If I tell you simple in Excel only, I'm saying, if I ask you like how many unique patients are there, you will use one thing, equal to unique, from this cell to this cell you will type, you will get the unique number, ठीक है. Or simple as that, main thing, what you will do, you will select the full column, ठीक है. I mean to say from like this, select the full column. You will go to the data section in Excel, remove duplicates. You, what you will get, you will get those data which are unique. From there you can just select it and you will get the count, like how many unique data are there. Right now there are 1,000 rows. See, here is it visible? Yeah, right now it is seen there are 1,000 rows. What happened? Oops. 1,000 rows are there. So from there you need to find out the unique patient IDs, like how many unique patients are there in this table. Simple, patient ID will be used. Report view, go to here, new measure, ठीक है. Measure in this, right, total patients, ठीक है. Right now what we will do, we have to find the unique. Unique means distinct. Sorry, directly go here, distinct count. When you click on distinct count, you will get the those column which can be coordinated properly with distinct count, ठीक है. We need patient ID. Let's see, we have, you can scroll from here, ठीक है. You can scroll from here or you can just write like this, PATI. It will give you the, I would say, matching keywords, ठीक है, matching keywords from the column name. So patient ID and patient name is there. Anything you can take. I will take patient ID like this, and let's see. Okay, measures has been created. Like if we click enter, the name will be changed and a measure will be created. So click enter. Okay, see, total patients have been created. So there are two things, total patients and total quantity, which we have created. And when I clicked on enter, no error is found. Okay, let me show you something. Let me show you some error. Like that, I find out, then I write total quantity and enter. See, like this kind of error will come. If you like, this is just to show you what kind of error you will get. Like this kind of error you will get, and like this kind of sign you will get, caution sign. If you can see here, caution sign also you will, also it will be visible to you at the side of the measure, ठीक है, to the end, and it will also show what is the, I mean, error in that. Simple. So let's, just to show you, I have shown like how things work when you create when not only you, when anyone creates a error in Power BI. Simple, go here, patient ID, Everything is green. Done. Understood. Where is it? Is it done? Yeah, it's done. So right now we will use card as well. Let's see how many unique patients are there. Where is it? Patient. Okay. So there are total 50 patients there in this data set. Unique. So let's give a shadow in this. Hmm, title on title, right? Total unique, what happened, patients, is it visible? Yeah, ठीक है, simple as that. It is, I know it is very basic. So as I've told you in the starting, it is for freshers level 1 and 2, so that you should have an understanding like how DAX is done and all those things. So this is just for everyone who is fresher, who is learning on the basic stage. It is for them. So total unique patients, done and dusted. Now let's see the third requirement. Total unique medicine. For medicine, what we have, let's see. Okay. Yeah. What happened here? It's not working. Unique medicine. Okay. Let's see what we have in that. Ah, okay, so we have patient. Sorry, why I'm saying patient. So we have medicines and medicine name, and let's see. Like we have find out the unique patient. Simple. We will go and write out here related to unique medicines. ठीक है? I will go here, right? I will just check each and everything. Okay, no worries for that. No worries for that. Okay. Where is it? New measures. I will write what I will write, total medicines, then I will write distinct count, medicine ID, and done. All set. Slice, I mean card in this. Let's see how many total medicines are there. So there are 100 total medicines available here. Okay. These things will be used in future work. Right now it might look like why are we creating this and all, but let me tell you, these things will be used in future work. I will show you that how it will be used. No need to worry about. We will go step by step. We will go like from zero. I mean to say that we'll go from zero. Okay. It is like total unique, oops, sorry, medicines. Okay, it's done and dusted. Three things done. How many left? Two left. So total cost and average cost per patient. Okay. Total cost. Hmm. Total cost is what? What is total cost? It is about this. Okay, let's see. Total cost, right? Hmm. Okay. Do we have? Okay, we have this. We have quantity and cost price. So what is total cost? Cost price. What is cost price? First thing first. Cost price is per unit price. Like one medicine price is for this medicine number 51. Price of medicine number 51 is 4802. ठीक है? And what is the total price? 4802 into 5 is the total price. Means suppose one Cadbury Dairy Milk price, cost price is what? 10 rupees. You bought 5 Cadbury Dairy Milk, so 5 into 10, 50. That is the thing. That is the thing, simple. So we will be using uh, some arithmetic, I mean aggregate functions here. We will be using sum of all this. We will be using sum x. Don't worry about it. We will see the use of all the basics things. So total cost. For that, we'll go to measures, and what we should write, total cost. We will write sum x. Okay. Okay. Now see, when you write this sum x and click on, wait, let me write once again. Sum x, and when you click enter, now see, it will give you some requirements, like it will say कि okay, give us some requirements. This is table and this is expression. Okay, it will give you the requirements, so no need to worry about whatever requirement you need. Power BI will tell you. Okay, so what is the table name? First thing first, it is sheet 1. Okay, right now either you can click comma here and you can work out in that. If you want to go to second line, what you will do, click on shift and enter. Okay, click on shift and enter, you will go to second line. Just for your knowledge point of view, I am saying. Right now what I have to do, I have to do quantity into cost price. This one, where is it? Cost price is there and quantity. What I will do, quantity, ठीक है, into cost price. ठीक है, this is the thing, simple as that. And when you enter it, if you get any error, you have to recheck it once. No error, thank God. Right now we will take a card. We will see where is the total cost. So 9 million is the total cost. Okay, that's a good thing. 9 million is the total cost. My goodness. Okay, that's no worries for that. Let's write shadow this thing, and let's write the title. Switch it on, and right here what we will write, total cost. Oh, sorry for the spelling mistake. Total cost, and in brackets you will write related to quantity into cost price. ठीक है, simple. Enter. Done and done. Okay, no worries. You can write it in bold. I think you can do test wrap, no worries for that. So it is the total cost, that is 9 million is the total cost, that is quantity into cost price. And if you want to edit the measure, directly go here. Okay, directly go here, double click, it will show you, you can edit anything. You can edit the measure name, you can edit anything from here. Okay, simple as that, no worries it with that thing. Okay, quantity into cost price, simple. Okay, we have done with the second last requirement. Right now we will work with the average cost per patient. ठीक है, average cost patient is what is average cost? Simple, it is like total cost divided by number of occurrence. Average is what? Sum by occurrence. ठीक है, now we will go here and first thing first, rename it average cost per patient. ठीक है, simple as that. Let's execute it. So we want total cost and patient. Okay, right now we will understand one new thing here. You might be thinking like, why are we creating all this stuffs and all, like what is the use of it? What I've told you previously, we are creating this so that we can use it in near future work. ठीक है, right now I will show you from this things, this measures we have created related to total cost, total medicines, total patients, total quantities. We will be working out and finding out the solution. ठीक है, What is the question? Average cost per patient. What is average cost per patient? Per patient, like patient number 1 average cost is what? 20,000. Patient 2 average cost is was 30,000. So 20 plus 30, 20,000 plus 20, 30,000 divided by 2. It is what? Simple. It is total cost. Total cost divided by patients, number of patients. So total patients. ठीक है? Simple maths. Let me write it here. Average cost patient. ठीक है? Average cost is what? Total cost by patients divided by number of patients. ठीक है? You will write divide. First you have to write divide. It is like that. Then see what divide has given. Numerator, denominator, alternate result. ठीक है? Alternate result is what? Like if you want to give something from your own side, you can give that thing. ठीक है? See, it is written here as well. If it is divided by 0, suppose there are no patients, nothing, 0 by 0, what will happen? It will give something else, like it will give error and all. Let me tell you that. For that they have given an option for alternate result. You can see it here. And how does divide measure work? Simple, I mean divide function work. I am very sorry. First you have to give numerator. Numerator is what? Total cost by patients. ठीक है? Total cost we have found out already. This one is the total cost. Directly write total cost. And in total, like what is the difference? First thing first, you see, in measures you won't get the sheet name or the table name. Suppose I write disease, it won't show. First thing first, it won't show. This is the beauty of Power BI. If I mean to say, I just want to show you this disease ka column, you can check it here. Disease का column is not eligible for divide. First thing first. ठीक है? That's why even after writing 80, not writing the full column name here, Power BI is not showing anything. This is the beauty of Power BI, which I was trying to say. कि the column name which are actually coordinated or actually can be used. I mean, the columns or the measures which can be used directly in this given function for divide function, it will work. So from this thing, rather than getting an error, then getting to know ki acha it won't work, like in the Excel and Python, you can easily know about it कि अच्छा disease वाला जो मतलब the disease column won't be used in this function. Simple. You will take, see right now total quantity is there, clicked here, and you won't be clicking any typing any divide or slash something like that. Numerator, then they have told comma, I have given comma, automatically this denominator thing got lightened up. Denominator is what? Total number, sum of total number of patients. ठीक है? Like patient 1 plus patient 2 plus patient 3, and for total patients what we have given, we have given a distinct count for that. ठीक है? Simple. Total cost and then total patients. ठीक? Simple. No need to write the alternate result because that is means not recommended. Let me tell you, these two things are recommended, numerator and denominator. So what we have done, divide total cost by total patient and enter. Okay, no errors right now. So where is it? Yeah, average cost per patient is here. See, name, it is showing all those things. I will click in the middle card, bring it here, click it here. Oh sorry, not here, here. And this is average cost per patient, means 1,84,000 or 85,000, round off, is the average cost per patient. Those who have visited the hospitals and like related to medicines, related to visit, whatever the cost they have, it is the output. ठीक है? Simple as that. Right now, let's write the title. Click it. You write total cost per patient done and dusted. So our work is done here. I will cross this things. Let me first save it. I will close this pages as well. So our work is done and all the five requirements we have found out here, and you can see the measures we have used. For the measures we have this calculator sign and it is done and dusted. Right now let's go here, write a reply mail like hi Rishi. Rishi is the name, right? Hope you are doing well. I have done the work related to DEX and it is on point. Please check once and let me know if you need any help from my side. ठीक है, ये फिर the file this control C control V yeah, done, and pfa the file. Let me go one and save it. Yeah, done. Let's go here, click this thing, open, and that's it. Okay, here is some no, if you need any information. Okay, the work is done, and let's see, do we receive any mail from the requirement point of view, or let's wait for the next mail after sending this. We have sent the mail and let's wait for the new mail, new requirement. Let's see what suggestions or what feedback they have from this DAX work. So we have received a mail with respect to this mail. Like the last mail was from, like we have sent was from Rishi, and also our mail, our last mail was also to Rishi. Okay? Rishi is who? The BI team, simple, technical team. So right now we have received a mail from Muktesh, and let's read what it is all about. Hi Shubham, hope you are doing well. On behalf of our HPI team, I want to extend sincere appreciation for the work you have delivered. The insight, clarity, and analytical depth you provided have helped us tremendously in understanding our data and identifying meaningful directions. Chalo badhiya. The progress we achieved was truly possible because of your contribution. I think this is the last mail. Malab last, I think so, but let's see. You must have received the last communication from our Power BI team as well. Okay, so this is kind of last mail, I think so. And we can confirm that all the tasks from your side have been completed properly and exactly as expected. As of now, your part of work is complete. With the outputs you have delivered, our internal team will be reviewing the insights and using them to shape the next phase of requirement. Okay, so more work is going to come. Once we finalize that phase, we will reach out to you immediately with the upcoming tasks. Okay, so this is a kind of closure of the first phase of work. Right now, for the second phase of work, they are taking the help of the requirements that we have provided to them. And let's read again. We request you to please, okay, and they will also reach out to us immediately for the upcoming task. They have told, that's a good thing. Thank God, touchwood. We will request you to please respond at our earliest convenience when we contact you, as we would like to continue working together smoothly. Okay, thanks you once again for your excellent work, professionalism, and support throughout the stages. Let's reply them. Hi, Muktesh, uh, thank you for your kind words. I really appreciate you for uh, hand holding. Oops, sorry, hand holding support, and also thanks to other departments who came for who came forward to help us to help me when required. I am also excited to work for the next project and ready to face new challenges as well as new requirements. ठीक है, that's it. And right now we will, what happened is this, why it is like that. Okay, so this is the last work that we have given to them, so no need to worry about. We will be working on the upcoming work as well. So that's all about it. Let's meet again in the new video, in the new project, as well as thanks to everyone who supported me uh, till date, and also happy new year to everyone, because today is 1 of Jan. Also, let me tell you one thing, there are lots of project in the pipeline. We will be working on lots and lots of project for this year, and I have each and everything ready as well. No need to worry about. I will be giving you hand holding support. Also, any doubts, anything, we do live stream every day. You can join in my live stream, ask your doubts, and please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, because I feel happy when you show us support, and also give me feedback, because I am also on a learning stage. So if you give me feedback, I will take care of that and also work on those things in the upcoming projects. So that's all about it. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy coding, happy learning, and let's meet again in a new project. So bye bye, and thanks to each and everyone again who supported me till date. Also, happy new year. So bye bye, and let's send the mail. Okay, we have sent the mail, and that's all about it. Bye bye, everyone.